Hi, today I'm making chicken salad, and one of my favorites for this time of year. I start with about a pound and a half of a roasted chicken breast. In my store, you can buy this roasted chicken breast already shredded, but you can also buy the roasted chicken and shred it yourself. I like the roasted chicken because it's going to have, some of the seasoning already in it, as opposed to if you've boiled the chicken. I've made it both ways. It's really your preference, but I start with that. And then next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take 2 eggs and a cup of grapes, as well as a cup of onions, a quarter cup of onions, a half a cup of celery, and 2 tablespoons of slivered almonds. And so all of these are going to be the ingredients. A dash of pepper, a dash of Morton's Nature seasoning. I like that. And then a little bit of Lawry's and a tiny bit of garlic powder. Again, remember the chicken is roasted and already seasoned. And so just a cup of mayonnaise. And you're going to add the mayo and the seasonings and as well as the eggs, the vegetables, all into one bowl and mix it thoroughly. Now, in my case, I then cut my grapes. I cut them in half because I don't like whole grapes in the salad. I even quartered some of them if they felt really large. I add those to the chicken salad, and then I'm just going to mix well. And once it's completely mixed, I can refrigerate it. In about an hour, it's ready to serve. I use this again. It's a little fancier chicken salad for guests. It makes fantastic chicken salad sandwiches. As you can see here, I'm prepping for a sandwich. And it only takes about 15, maybe 20 minutes to make.